Faleminderit. Njëri prej gëzimeve në traditën shqiptare është patjetër lindja e djalit. Në për vite, ky gëzim sa vjen e shtohet. Vjen koha e pagëzimit, koha e synetis, shkollimi, martesa, por me bo me dasht Zoti që ai djali dhe me të knu ka pak nuk hahet prej somli. Zonja dhe zotrinj, me mua dhe me ju sonte, Golden Boy, si kemi qujt ne, Sabri Feyzullahu Junior, Shkelzen Jetishi Junior dhe Nusret dhe Merita Muqiqi Junior.
I'm not surprised, not everything lasts. I've broken my heart so many times, I stopped keeping track. I talk myself in, I talk myself out. I get all worked up and then I let myself down. I try so very hard not to lose it. I came up with a million excuses. I thought every possibility. I just haven't met you yet. I might have to wait, I'll never give up. I guess it's health, timing, and the other half's luck. Whatever you are, whenever it's right, you'll come out of nowhere and into my life. And I know that we can be so amazing. And baby, love is gonna change me. And now I can see every possibility. Ooh. And I know someday that it all turn out. You'll make me work, so we can work to work it out. And I promise you, kid, that I'll give so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet. They say all's fair in love and war, but I won't need to fight it. We'll get it right and we'll be like And I know that we can be so amazing. And being in your life is gonna change me. And no one can see every single possibility. And someday I know it'll all turn out. And I work to work it out. So promise you, kid, I give more than I get. Then I get, then I get, then I get. And I know someday that it all turn out. You'll make me work so we can work to work it out. And I promise you, kid, that I'll give so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet. I just haven't met